Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you all what I got in the Nykaa Pink sale, and I have been wanting to do this video for a very long time. It's been there. I've not used most of the products. It's just lying down in a bag beside me, and I have been resisting myself from using most of the products from there. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. The first thing I got was this Skin 1004. So I really wanted to try the cleansing oil from there because I watched a video where even the blackheads comes off when you use this cleansing oil on a regular basis. So I have been using this one a little. If you notice, I have used it a bit. It's very lightweight and just a little bit goes a long way. You need very less of this product to remove your entire makeup. So the next thing is from the same brand as well. I wanted to try this skin barrier cream because I have used the pink serum from Ordinary as well. There is a video coming up soon about that pink serum from Ordinary. This one looked very promising because the texture was very comparative to my Cosrx Snail Mucin, which is almost gonna be over. This is a little bit more thicker in a way and it feels nice on the skin, so I had to get this. And it comes in a packaging like this with a tub, and it comes with this plastic spatula kind of thing with a ball kind of thing at the end at one tip. So I think so it is for the eyes, so you can massage it, use to scoop out the product. So this is how the product looks like. It's extremely thick and I love how it feels. I will use sometime in another video. The next I got is this Maybelline Fit Me's Fit Me Fresh Tint. Yeah, this has been launched I guess 1.5 years ago, but the shades were really awkward. Like, it was totally not more than NC30 I think from MAC guidelines. This one is number 10 and it just works perfectly fine for me. I'm wearing it today. I will link a clip here. It applies so smoothly. I really like it. It's very like 2-in-1 product. Just apply it and you're done. You're done with your SPF and your foundation. So my face still looks nice and neat, which is really important during mornings or while traveling too. I prefer this than using a foundation. So yeah, the next product I got was this Nambuzen number 2 cream. It is a beautiful protein cream and I am obsessed with this. This cream is made of 43% protein and I have not come across any moisturizer like this. It is not gel like, it is not thick, it is not, I cannot explain. It's just like ghee or butter on your face, but not sticky and in a good way. I really love this one. So the next one is this Sky High mascara from Maybelline. This is the waterproof version. I think it's called the Cosmic Black. So this is supposed to be the blackest black of all the other mascaras. It's mentioned that it's waterproof. It gives you limitless length and full volume. And I'm gonna straight away tell you, I do not like it. I do not like how it makes my lashes feel, and it's very clumpy, gooey, and it is just not my kind of mascara. I am always gonna stick to my Benefit mascara and Too Faced mascaras. Those two brands makes the best mascaras in my opinion. I have gone through so many mascaras. The most favorite mascaras of mine are the Benefit Royal Lash Mascara and the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'm gonna attach a video here for you to see what I exactly mean about that being crunchy and kind of my lashes are looking really very scanty for my. It hasn't done anything. It has lengthened a bit, but I'm not satisfied by how it looks or feels. So yeah, this is a no for me. I have almost wasted I think 450 rupees. I got it on discount. So the next thing I got is the Vaseline lip balm. This is like just a normal lip balm with It's collaborated with Hershey's Kisses, so it's supposed to look and smell like chocolates. I've been using it. It's just a normal, kind of normal Vaseline with a tinted and a flavored kind of version. So yeah, it's just so compact and cute, and I really got tempted with the chocolate thing. So this, and I cannot tell you, I've gone through almost like 4 tubes of this. It's always there in my bag, my car, everywhere I go. I always carry this one. I got these two as well. Like this one's almost over, and do you see the size of it? This one's 50 grams and these are the 80-gram ones. So I went ahead and got these two. I'm still obsessed with these sunscreens, like this watermelon especially. It's so cooling and it makes you love sunscreen, those kind of sunscreens are these. I am just obsessed with these. So I got this Pat McGrath's Lust Lip Gloss in the shade Bronze Venus. How it looks, it is just want a sari in this color. It's so beautiful. It has a tint of pink, blues. The blues doesn't show here on camera. It has a bit of green, and I'm wearing it on my lips today. Non-sticky, beautiful, kind of, juicy looking lip gloss. I really love this lip gloss. A bronzer from Pat McGrath as well. This is in the shade Burnished Honey. Okay, I'm wearing it today. It just gives me the perfect bronze shade. I have so many bronzers, but this one just hits another level. It has given me like the most perfect tan bronze ever, because if I really got tanned here, this is how my skin would exactly look like. So I just love them for the packaging, and this is how it looks. It is kind of small and like, yeah, just that much. It has a nice mirror, crown embossed kind of. This is like holy grail of every makeup artist all over the world. I have used this one. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter, and it is launched in India. I have used the smaller size before, like years back, and I wasn't excited, but now I feel they have kind of changed the formula or something that it makes your entire makeup smudge proof, waterproof, and including a lipstick. So I wanted to give it a try, and yeah, it is nice. It just makes everything blended together and seamless. So the next random thing I got is this Tangle Teaser. I have been eyeing on this brush for like many years now, and I always thought it's not worth the price because the price cannot be justified. So I got this on an offer, and it is, as it says, it's 70 million brushes sold globally. That's how the brush looks like. Just a simple brush, and the bristles are just flexible. Yeah, they're quite nice on my scalp. They feel gentle. The next one is a serum I got this serum from Beauty of Jason. This is the Alpha Orbitin. I really love Alpha Orbitin for my skin. I have used the ordinary one. It has never launched in India, and I wanted to use. And I was not fond of the minimalist Alpha Orbitin. Like, I don't think so. I'm a big fan of minimalist stuffs, to be honest, because for me the original is always the original. So I am sticking to my ordinary version of all those acids and actives. But this one just had a lot of good reviews, and it's very watery kind of texture, so I wanted to give it a try. So hence I got this Beauty of Jason Glow Deep Serum. It has rice and alpha orbitin, so I will let you know in some of the video if it works for me or not. So the next are these three Sigma brushes. They were on almost like 80% off, and I was like, I have to pick them because they are worth the price, like the offer price, I mean. If they were around 2,500, I got them for 700 and 600 because of the offers I had. Tapered cheek brush, it's extremely soft. It's a airbrush kabuki brush, very soft. I love Sigma brushes. F28, it's a very fluffy brush, like extremely fluffy brush, extremely soft. It is supposed to be a Do you see it just kind of has a triangular shaped brush, and it's supposed to be your bronzing brush, powder or bronzer brush. It's quite heavy. It is a heavy brush, and I have a feeling that this might shed, but I really liked it for my bronzer. So I got these two combs, like just random combs from Iconic and Vega. These are just to apply conditioner during my hair is wet, like during shower. I am struggling with applying the conditioner to all the strands, so I wanted a brush that I can comb through. So I got these white tooth combs, and then I got these two. They are newly launched from Sheer Moisture. Sheer Moisture is known to have best shampoos and conditioners for curly hair, but this one was really promising. My scalp is extremely dry at the moment. I've been using my way shampoos like constantly, but I kind of felt I need a change from them. So the bottle is actually over, and I wanted to have something new. So I got the Sheer Moisture coconut oil shampoo. Along with it, I got this Jamaican black castor oil strength and restore conditioner. I got these two as like a combination, and I have used it right before this video once so that I can talk about it. I have used a lot of shampoos during, like, in my shower, tucked in, like it gets caught in between my hair, but this shampoo just didn't have any tangles at all, and my hair just felt so hydrated and silky right after the shampoo itself. On top of this was like bread, like butter on bread. This was so good. I am obsessed with it. I cannot tell you right away from one wash. I have to give it a little bit more time, and I will have do some empties video or something so that I can show you guys what these did to me. So the next thing I got was this Sebastian's dark oil. I wanted to try this for some time now. Yeah, I just was sticking to my Ways oil and Moroccan oil. Like, since they're all getting over, I wanted to find a new one, and this is a nice smelling, and it's not affordable at all. It's very expensive for the size. This is 30 ml, and but this one, like, I would recommend for everybody who looks for a serum that really works. Forget the price, but for a serum that actually works, this one is a good one. Since I'm talking about hair, I also wanted to mention this Vella's thermal protection. It's a heat protection for the hair, and it protects heat up to 230 degrees, something like that. And I was not having one, and I didn't know how important it is for the hair, so I actually got one from Vella. It smells really good, and it is also nice even on a summer day. This is from Number Zen as well. Number Zen has this red ginseng, pure red ginseng cream, which I really wanted to try. Red ginseng is known for anti-aging, and I got this viral worst instant resurfacing mask. I will soon do shots on this cream. Like, I have used it before once, and it's nothing like shown in that video. I'm gonna do a very honest review on this one. Next one is something I never thought I'm gonna love. I just got it like, nah, like kind of that, from Nooks. It's called the Insta Mask, and this is the pink one. It's called the Exfoliating Peeling Scrubbing Mask. It's so beautiful. The texture is something I've never felt. It's like a jelly kind of texture. You rub it on your skin, it becomes like oily kind of. It just gives your skin beautiful hydration and glow. So I really love that mask as well, and I got these two lashes from Pack. Yeah, I also forgot to mention that MAC. I got this MAC serum foundation, which I will do a video on very soon. And I got this Locked Ink lipstick. I got this Peripera ink in the shade Cocoa Nude and Wine Nude. And then I got this Huda Beauty's Silk Balm. So that's all for today's video. Meet you on another one. So you will be getting a review of all these products in other videos I make. to not miss those, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.